Right then, nice simple algebra proof here. We have to prove that for all the positive values of x and y, that the square root of x, y is less than or equal to x plus y over 2. The way to do this is by using basic algebra skills and rearranging it so that we can prove that it's always going to be something that we know is always true. For example, that square numbers are always greater than 0. That's what we're going to be aiming for here. So because, as I just outlined, we're going to be squaring through this to prove that it's always greater than 0, I'm going to start by squaring both sides. That gives me xy is less than or equal to, now, x plus y squared does not equal x squared plus y squared. That's important. Many of you made that mistake. It's x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. So giving me that, x squared plus 2xy plus y squared all over 2 squared, which is 4. Good, so now I think I'm going to times both sides by 4, make things easier for me to deal with. 4xy is less than or equal to x squared plus 2xy, or yx as I apparently have written, plus y squared, minus 4xy from both sides. That gives me 0 is less than or equal to x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. So this is a tricky step here. You have to recognize that this is a perfect square. It's the perfect square of x minus y squared. So now we've got a square number, and that always has to be greater than 0. So we have actually proved that the statement that we were given at the start is true. We need to write something out in words, such as, since x minus y all squared must be positive, because all square numbers, any number squared is positive, the initial statement is true. So without that extra statement, the bit in red, you may miss points. You need to make a conclusion to your work. So we're asked to now prove by counterexample it's not true if x and y are both negative. If x is minus 2 and y is minus 8, these numbers are chosen so that we get easy values to do the calculations with. If that's true, then the square root of minus 2 times minus 8 has to be less than minus 2 add minus 8 over 2. So the square root, this gives me the square root of 16, and this gives me minus 10 over 2. So that's 4 is not less than minus 5. That's false. So we need to put a statement. Thus, this counterexample demonstrates that this is not true if x and y are both negative. Okay, good.